Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack, as always, from Blue Sky Graphics here to show you some really cool stuff. What I'm about to do today, guys, is quickly explain the Photoshop's perspective crop tool. A really easy tool for you to use just to take images from different angles and perspectives and make them straight out for you. Very easy. Well, first of all, where would you find it? If you right click on the actual crop tool itself, you have the perspective crop tool here. And what you need to do is you need to create your plane. So I want to make sure that I can crop this right-hand page here. So I'm just going to go click, 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 and click. Very easy. And all you simply need to do now, guys, is press enter. And there you have it. That's how you use the perspective crop tool in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much. Take care. I'll see you next time.